mean to bite, they would never ever try to bite you. But we always keep our hands right like that.
Like that.
They don't
So-
want your stick, so you take your stick from there.
It's okay. It's okay. I can throw it for you. Give it to me, please. Please give it to me. No, she doesn't like me.
Feed them. Oh, that's got a sticker on it.
We
You
are
better
feeding
take
the
sticker off
horses.
there.
Yeah.
There. That's a
Hamba.
So when we feed them, look, we watch. When we feed them, we keep our hands straight like that, flat. That way there's no fingers sticking up. All right? That's it. No fingers
We are
sticking
feeding
up
the carrot.
like that. Just
These
like
are
that, with fingers
siblings,
straight, and they would eat
brother
that.
and sister.
Watch. See, look. And I sort of push it up so that they don't lose it. You going to try?
Oh, sorry. I drop it.
There you go.
They are hungry.
What's your hand? There you go. You want some Rio? You want that? You want to try one? No? You want to try one? Keep your hands flat. Just keep your keep your hand flat and go up like that. And you can push it sort of. You can even push it right up like that. And that makes them.
Will be hard. There is another one, Rio.
Oh, give some to Rio.
Rio is the oldest one.
19 years old.
Yes.
No, 14 years old. Abba.
Hey, Rio. You want
Rio
an apple,
is
buddy?
14 years old. Rio is upset. Is this a he?
This is a he.
He.
Rio, do you want an
Okay.
apple?
Rio, he is upset maybe. Oh, just wake up.
He's half sleeping.
Okay.
He sleeps up,
Yeah.
like he sleeps standing
Yeah.
up. Hi there. Hi there, we got something for you. And
Clara
he is very good
feeding
with
the
children.
horses.
This horse. A lot of children learned how to ride on this horse. And he barrel races.
Very
Yeah, you can
nice.
push that right up like that to him and he will eat it. Go like that. He will. That's it. That's it. There you go.
Good.
There you go. There you
Oh, you drop it. It's okay. Rukaya, make sure your fingers are flat, please.
Just fingers flat. Just
Fingers flat.
that's it.
Ah,
Watch, I'll show. I'll put my hand under yours. Here,
oh, he is very hungry. Wait.
put your fingers flat. There you go. There, see? And then you push it right up. You push it right up like that.
Oh, he's watching over there. He wants on. She's. This one is she. You are right, Abba.
Pull it flat.
This one
And so,
is.
put fingers up flat. Fingers up straight. There. Fingers up straight.
Look alike.
Just try not.
They are very healthy.
Fingers out straight.
Unbelievable healthy.
There.
They are. MashaAllah.
Fingers right out straight. There you go.
Subhanallah. Very nice creation of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
Now hold your hand with you. Fingers straight.
Taller than me.
She would never.
Wait, I'll get something for you.
She will never ever hurt you either. She would never hurt you.
Can I try?
There you go. Yep. There you go. There you go.
I have nothing on my hand.
Fingers straight. That's it.
They are hungry too. So, okay, I'll give you a bigger one. Goodbye. 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 Goodbye.
But you're not a ball, so she won't chase you. And if you were a stick, she'd chase you too. But you're not a snake. So
This one for you,
yeah,
senorita.
right straight like that. There you go. Try again.
Nice.
Oh, he likes carrots. So straight up. He knows you have little hands, so he's very careful. You guys want a little more we put in your dish? Huh? But you really want the apple, not the carrot, don't you?
She likes apple?
She likes the apples more than she likes
Okay.
carrots. There you go.
What about the local apples? Do you feed them?
Oh
the-
yes, well they have in their pasture. Their pasture is here, and it's a big pasture, and in the middle is trees and lots of apple trees. So they eat those as soon as they bloom.
Mhm.
And because they've been eating them for so long, all through the years.
You may know him, Dr. Hatim Malik.
Dr. Malik?
Yeah, very old guy.
I've had reports, and because I used to practice in personal injury and all that, so I would have reports from all different doctors and stuff, right? A lot of them I would have examined or cross-examined in court, but Dr. Malik, I had reports from him, but never ever cross-examined.
He usually pick up like the wild apple and make
yes?
like apple pie with that.
Yeah.
Yes.
I was saying to your wife, I had a bakery in Halifax,
Okay.
and so I bake like a trooper. I bake a lot.
Are we gonna pick strawberries?
We didn't pick any strawberries today. But if you come again in a couple of days, we will pick some strawberries. For sure. All right?
Hamba. He wants more, Abba. No more food, my friend. Sorry. Today is 12th of July. We were here yesterday, yeah.
Neighbors and the trees are in the middle. So those places we have a lot of room to roam. And that was our chicken barn, and we had a lot of chickens, but we had a mink, something like that, get in at them, and that's why we moved these ones up here and have kept them there for the last year. And that's an equipment barn down there.